Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to quickly move a table of data from ChatGPT straight into Google Sheets, today's video is going to make your life a whole lot easier. By the end of this step-by-step tutorial, you'll know exactly how to copy a nicely formatted table from ChatGPT and paste it directly into Google Sheets, so you can start analyzing or working with the data right away. No fuss, no hassle. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have ChatGPT open in your browser. If you're already logged in and ready to go, you're ahead of the game. If not, take a moment to get ChatGPT up and running so we can move forward together. Now we'll be working with the text box at the bottom of the ChatGPT interface. That's where you type in your requests or prompts. For this demonstration, let's try something simple. Click on the empty text box and type in, "Give me a random data for Google Sheets." You can use any prompt you like, but for practice, this one works really well because ChatGPT will usually respond with a table of made-up data tailored for Google Sheets. Once your prompt is typed out, press enter on your keyboard. ChatGPT will start generating a response that might take a moment or two depending on your internet connection or how complex your request is. Don't worry if it takes a little longer, just give it a second. When it's finished, you'll see a table of data appear in the chat window, usually formatted with rows and columns. This is exactly what we need. Now here comes the crucial step. At the top right corner of ChatGPT's response, you'll notice a little icon that looks like two overlapping rectangles. That's the copy button. Click on this icon. It's made for moments like this. What it does is it automatically selects and copies the entire response, making sure you don't accidentally miss any data or extra columns. You could highlight and copy everything manually, but this button is a real lifesaver and keeps things neat. Great, now let's switch over to Google Sheets. If you don't already have a blank spreadsheet open, go ahead and create a new one. It can be an existing document or a fresh sheet just for this data. Once you're in your spreadsheet, click into the first cell where you want your data to go. For most people, that's A1 at the very top left. Now all you need to do is paste the data. You can right-click and select Paste, or simply press Command+V if you're on Mac or Control+V if you're using Windows. Instantly, you should see the table from ChatGPT appear inside your Google Sheet with all the columns and rows in order. Sometimes the formatting might need a tiny bit of cleaning up. Maybe some columns are too wide or narrow, but most of the heavy lifting is done. And that's all there is to it. You've just copied a table straight from ChatGPT and pasted it into Google Sheets, ready to use however you want. This is super handy for quick data analysis, making lists, or even testing formulas without having to type out everything manually. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button to let me know. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another ChatGPT workflow you want to see broken down step by step. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.